We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Our business, we print and install on buses, on double-decker buses, on trucks, and on food trucks. And we always looking for the next big thing. Our clientele also would like to get the most for the money. While we're printing, it's one thing, but it's become a standard wrapping. Everything been wrapped. And we always looking to expand our business. So in the last few years, we are expanding the business to lenticular on the buses. We are doing embellishment of the buses. We are doing lights on the buses. 3D, it was something that was in my mind for a long time, and I was searching for the right machine for us.